Watch this short video to learn about aircraft maintenance and management services and how they impact an airplane's value and ownership. Airplane's integrity. During their lifetime, aircrafts are subjected to various impacts on the airframe, engines, and landing gear, from weather-related items like lightning, hail, snow, and water corrosion, to bird and mechanical failure. As such, it is important to inspect and check an aircraft's integrity regularly. Aviation backbone. Detailed airplane maintenance offers protection. It is not just a routine task. It is a crucial component of aircraft management, the backbone of aviation safety and reliability. Maintenance keeps your aircraft in a ready state of airworthiness. Optimal operations. Professional maintenance and inspections are performed as mandated to ensure that every aircraft component is in optimal condition, from the airframe to the engines and avionics. Recorded data of each procedure, repair, and airplane management are kept. Reduce aircraft downtime. Correct aircraft maintenance is proactive. It reduces aircraft downtime, ensures efficient flight operations, and full compliance with airworthy directives and regulations, making your airplane safer and more available. Safety. The best maintenance practices provide aircraft and airplane safety to operators and the general public. They ensure encounters and issues that compromise safety and performance are dealt with correctly ahead of time, giving pilots, owners, and passengers peace of mind and confidence on their flights. Scheduled maintenance and retain value. Adherence to scheduled maintenance must be top priority for safety reasons and to protect your aircraft's value. Ensure only certified professionals, maintenance, repair, and overhaul, MRO mechanics, and approved maintenance facilities work on your airplane. They work diligently and tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring every aircraft is ready for its next flight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel below.